I'm Laura. Now on display is a 4x2 off-road truck. This vehicle has a 190 horsepower engine equipped with an 8-speed transmission. The classic long-head single cab greatly increases driving safety. The vehicle is about 7.5 by 2.5 by 2.6 meters. The cargo box is 4.8 by 2.3 by 0.9 meters. The tires are 11.00 R20 off-road specific, rear dual tire design, and there is also spare tire. Front axle capacity 5 tons, rear axle capacity 10 tons. The vehicle load capacity up to 10 tons. The entire vehicle has undergone electrophoretic, rust-proofing, and anti-corrosion treatment. This vehicle has a fuel tank capacity of 300 liters. The wheelbase is 4,500 millimeters. The suspension system is made of steel plain springs. Max height over obstacles 390 millimeters. And it's also equipped with a trampoline and poles. That's all for today's video. If you are interested in us, please follow us. See you next time. Bye-bye.